how are you? I hope that you are doing well. Another quick tutorial here to show the center mark of the artboard. So for that, it's very simple. I can just press Shift and O to see the properties for the artboard, or also here in this icon, artboard tool, even the shortcut is there. Here in this icon, you can put double click artboard options, and it's very simple. Just here you are going to put show center mark. You're going to put OK, and here you have it. Another way to see it is that we open the artboard window, just in window, and then artboards, and then you can have it here as well. And then here in this burger icon, you can put here and artboard options, and you can have the same specifications here. I can just put deselect so they will erase for a moment. But then you know how to put into methods. Okay, so that's all. Enter to my channel, subscribe, like. You can see many tutorials of the Adobe family that I'm going to continue providing to this channel. And that's all. See you. Thank you. Bye.